Let's get into it. Plenty of prawns jumping. Big pack. Oh yeah. Oh. Then we got another 200. All right. Good morning, everyone. Time has come to get some prawns. It's now or never, eh? Up nice and early. Hopefully see we can get some prawns before the sun rises up in the mountains, and then it's gonna get too hot. Yeah. So let's hope there's some around, eh? Let's hope we can get 100 prawns per cast. All right, let's get into it, guys. Plenty there?
Yeah,
I'll give it a shot anyway. I'll risk it. Yeah, the old mate over there is always getting some. He said,
hey brother.
Good, nice meeting you.
Yeah,
Thought I'll let you know when the prawns are on. They're on now. He's saying he's getting plenty over there.
Oh yeah.
So see what happens. They're all jumping already. Get into it, man. Get into it. You gotta get some. Get them. Oh. Alright, a lot of weed, but there's prawns jumping everywhere, guys. Holy Jesus! What the heck, that? We got 100 a cast now, ladies and gentlemen. This has got to be 100 a cast. First cast. Let's count. Oh my God. They're on fire today, guys. Get into them, brother. Oh my goodness. First cast of the day, first pancake. Come check it out if you haven't seen it. First cast, mate. First cast.
Holy.
That's got to be 100, eh? What do you reckon?
Easy. He's on one today.
First cast.
Absolutely good stuff.
Okay, get in or get into some, yeah. Alright, let's get 100 casts. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40. That's already 40, guys. 1, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Hey, buddy. Oh, there you go, you got your hole there. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 67, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. That's 100. There's definitely more than 100. I reckon 200 here. Definitely 200. Oh my God. Let's keep going. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're just picking the big ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 21. 5, 6, 7, 8, 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 50, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Oh my god, guys. 72, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 97, 98, 99, 100. That's 200. Small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. Throw some of these smaller ones back. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 26, 27. About 230. Look at yours, man. Yeah, guys, 230 a cast. Got old mate over there, another friend of mine there. We're all just cleaning up now. 230 guys, one cast, first cast for the day. Look at that, first cast for the day. Got 230 prawns that cast. That's get it on. Plenty of prawns jumping. Big pack. Oh yeah. Oh. Think we got another 200. We got another 200. Oh my god. There's so many. I am not even gonna. Here we go. There we go, another 200. Check that out, guys. When you're picking up prawns like this, when you're picking up prawns with the two hands like this, when you're scooping it, that means you're getting plenty. There's another 200, guaranteed. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Come get yourself some, ladies and gentlemen. There is bucket loads. Oh yeah, oh yeah. When you get 200 a cast. Oh yeah. Wow. I think one more cast and I think I might have hit the my bag limit or close to it. Oh my god. Yeah, mate. Plenty. Hey? Yeah, real thick. Pancake every time, guys. Let's go. This one's not as thick as the one before, first two. I should be just straight into the bucket, but there's too much weed. I don't want to have deal with too much weed, so I'll just pick him up. Oh wow, check that out, mate. This is probably the most I've ever been catching since all my years of prawning. This is the best year, the year of the jasper. The year of the jasper. Oh. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh. It's amazing. Jasper prawns, ladies and gentlemen. I knew it. They're all grown up. Look at them all now. You getting a few? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, practice makes perfect. Oh my God. Over. Not as thick. Not as thick this time. I think I'm already close. Just after a few casts, I'm close to having enough already. Yeah. Not as thick here. Just picking the bigger ones. Did you see that, guys? 2 casts, 200 each. Almost close to my bag limit already. After just 2 casts. Come and get some prawns, guys. They're in the masses. Yeah. How'd you go? You getting a few?
Hey?
Getting a few?
Yeah. Couple in the bucket anyway.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Two casts there. 2, 3
I don't
casts.
think I'll be able to pick that bucket up. Get all them.
That's about right.
Holy.
That's not even 30 minutes. How long have we been here?
20 minutes.
20 minutes tops there. Yeah, 2 casts. That's the bulk of it.
Holy.
The bulk of 2 casts anyway. Then my last 2 after just then didn't get much.
Unreal, brother. Unreal.
See, let's see if we can get you some.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, see, we'll load you up with some as well. Oh, a lot of smallies here. Is that big blue one yours as well?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. I think I'll be close to done with mine already. Yeah. No, not as much as before, but when they're in this masses, use them for bait, food, good for pizza, marinara if you're doing spaghetti and all that sort of stuff. Real great for it.
Yeah, nice prawn curry or something.
Yeah, all that. Yeah, fresh.
Fresh is best.
Yeah. You keep casting too, man. We'll fill yours one up too. Yeah. Yeah. We'll fill yours one up too. I think they're a bit thin here now. They moved a bit. Let's just try further down here a bit. When you're chasing prawns, when they're a bit thin in certain areas, you just got to keep moving. Just find that batch. Pancake it. Come on.
How do you go, brother?
Not as thick. Not as thick as those two casts before I had there.
No, that was beautiful. That first one was unreal. What'd you say, 230?
230, yeah. That's not including the smaller ones. That's only the keeper ones. So if I was gonna count every prawn, I was only for about hoping for 100 a cast, but can't complain when you're getting 200 a cast. Yeah, depends on what size you want. See, they're a bit smaller down this end now.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know if you wanted some of these small ones or not. It's up to you.
No.
If you fish if you do a lot of creek fishing, that'll help. You do a lot of grunters and stuff like that.
Yep.
Yeah. They look a bit thin down this end. Let's go back and try the usual spot again. You're not going to keep casting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I had to get all the sticks and the weed out, bro.
Oh, you don't have the drawstring net.
No, I do.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
I just got a heap of sticks
Just
there.
get a heap of weed, eh?
Yeah, it was more like those sticks.
Those, yeah, that will throw your cast off. I just leave this here. We're just gonna try and top our friend's prawns up. Now that I'm pretty much close to my limit, I'm just gonna top his one up. Yeah, not bad here.
Bit betterish.
Yeah, you keep sorting out your net. I'll keep loading you up. So over here, this is a much better one. Yeah, they're much bigger down this end. They're much bigger than the first cast was. So these prawns are in their masses, but certain areas have hold bigger ones, certain areas got smaller ones. So we're just looking for the bigger ones. Oh yeah. All right. Just trying to top up friends prawns, since I'm pretty much close to my limit already after 2 casts. Pancake it, guys, if you want 200 a cast. A few here. Oh, there's a lot of weed here. But there's quite a few. There was a few prawns there though. Oh, check that out, guys. I hit the weed jackpot. Oh, there are a lot of prawns in amongst it too though. Let's pick him up. couple of big ones, a couple of big bucks there. Come out. Look at weed and prawns all mixed together. Gotta get them while you can while they're still around. In a few days from now, they're gonna all disappear back into the creeks, and then yeah. If you want prawns, you'll have to work hard on the boat to get them. Yeah. Oh. So what time you were here this morning?
Probably about just 20 minutes before you, bro.
Oh, you're a bit early, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thought I'd get a couple of practices in for.
Oh yeah. Oh, you can always do it at home. It's fun. Yeah.
Yeah, backyard to see the way to go.
Yeah. Oh. There you go.
Legend.
Starting to rack up a bit now.
Yeah.
Some there. Oh my God.
Just a few.
There yours.
Jakey's,
yeah. That's just all yours. Your work. Yeah, it's good. Hang in there. You got the right net, the right method.
Yeah, I'll be investing in one of them, bro.
Another one.
I can give you the car.
Yeah.
The car.
Yeah, Fred's got it all. And this is my one, guys. Yep. That's just literally the 2 casts from this morning, and I'm done. Well, probably the first hour, that's it. There's no prawns silly left. They're all disappeared, guys. They were there the next, and then they're not. So if you guys come and you come at the wrong time, you probably think there's no prawns at all. Right now, you cast and there's nothing there. So we're all wrapping it up. It's great.
Yeah, no, you can't, I know.
We were done before the sunrise, so we're all nice and cool, not even hot. That's great.
Yeah, that's it, eh? Hey, better than nothing, some days. Oh yeah.
Good stuff, guys.
It's just hearing that net clicking, going fucking mental. It's just,
That's a good haul, yeah.
it's just what brings you back more and more and more.
That's lovely, man. That's lovely.
Well, everyone, that does it. What a crazy session. Caught up with a few mates. There's about 5 of us just hammering around in the morning. And, oh my God, it's crazy, huh? We all nailed ourselves a good amount of prawns. You should have seen the first 200 casts, guys. I was only hoping for 100, doubled that. 2 casts, literally, the 2 main casts. I pretty much almost bagged out, and that was that enough as it is. Unbelievable. Prawns were thick, just as predicted a week ago when I came here. They're still small. Give it about a week or so. And look at this now. Amazing, isn't it? As soon as the sun came up, they vanished. There, guys, vanished. So if you guys come a bit later, they're all gone. That's it for me, guys. If you like prawns and you like chasing prawns, leave a thumbs up before you go, guys. And as always, get yourself some prawns. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.